Article 408.15 of the 2002 National Electrical Code, NEC, specifies a limit of 42 overcurrent devices on a single panel board or switchboard for several key reasons. Firstly, space limitations play a significant role. A large number of overcurrent devices within a single enclosure can create overcrowding. This makes it difficult to maintain adequate spacing, which is crucial for proper heat dissipation and accessibility. Overcrowding can lead to overheating, reducing the lifespan and effectiveness of the overcurrent devices. Secondly, safety considerations are paramount. Excessive overcurrent devices can increase the risk of electrical faults, short circuit, and fires. A higher concentration of these devices in a single enclosure leads to a higher probability of simultaneous failures or overloading, compromising the overall safety of the electrical system. Thirdly, arc flash hazards are a major concern. With more overcurrent devices, the potential for an arc flash event increases. Arc flashes are dangerous electrical explosions that can cause severe burns, hearing loss, and other injuries. Limiting the number of overcurrent devices to 42 helps reduce the risk of such hazards, protecting personnel and equipment. Fourthly, maintenance and troubleshooting become more manageable. A large number of overcurrent devices can make it challenging to identify and troubleshoot electrical issues. Limiting the number to 42 simplifies maintenance tasks and ensures that the electrical system is easier to diagnose and repair. This reduces downtime and ensures efficient operation. Fifthly, circuit protection coordination is improved. When multiple overcurrent devices are installed in a single enclosure, it is crucial to ensure proper coordination. A limit of 42 overcurrent devices allows for better coordination among devices to prevent nuisance tripping and ensure reliable circuit protection. This coordination helps maintain a stable and dependable electrical system. Sixthly, compliance with standards is ensured. The NEC is based on consensus standards established by industry experts. The 42 device limit is in line with industry best practices and helps ensure compliance with other relevant electrical codes and regulations. This standardization promotes safety and consistency in electrical installations. In summary, by limiting the number of overcurrent devices to 42, Article 408.15 of the 2002 NEC helps maintain safe and efficient electrical installations while reducing the risk of electrical hazards and ensuring proper maintenance and troubleshooting procedures.